Hello students, let us continue the session of playing with the numbers. In our previous session we had learned factors and common factors. Today in this session we shall learn about highest common factor. What is highest common factor? Highest common factor of two numbers or more than two numbers is the greatest number which divides each of them exactly. Now we shall learn about the methods of finding highest common factor. We follow certain steps for finding the highest common factor. Let's see what are they. First step is find all the factors of each given number. Second step is find the common factors of the given number. And the third and last step is the greatest of all the factors obtained in step 2 is the required highest common factor. Let us understand this by some examples. I have taken a question. Find the highest common factor of 6 and 9. To find it, we need to first find out the factors of 6. Six is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. And the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9 because 9 is exactly divisible by 1, 3 and 9. Now let me find out the common factor of 6 and 9. We need to highlight the common factors. 1 is present in both. 3 is present in both. So the common factors are 1 and 3. Among this 1 and 3, we need to find out the greatest one. So the highest common factor, in short, is written as H.C.F of 6 and 9 will be 3. This highest common factor is also called as greatest common divisor. It is called as greatest common divisor. In short, it is also known as G.C.D. Remember, greatest common factor and highest common factor and greatest common divisor, these are all same. So highest common factor of given numbers will be the greater number which divides all the numbers without leaving a remainder. Let us see one more example. Find the highest common factor of 14 and 18. First let me write the factors of 14. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So among this, let me find out the common factor. For that, I would like to highlight the common ones. 1 is there in both, 2 is there in both. Are there any other common? No, there are only 2 factors which are common. They are 1 and 2. Therefore, the highest common factor is 2. We also represent in this format H.C.F of 14 and 18 is written as H.C.F within the bracket 14, 18 is 2. Let us solve one more example. Find the highest common factor of 15 and 10. For that, first let me find the factors of 15 and then find factors of 10. Then find common factors of 15 and 10. Then we will find out the highest common factor of 15 and 10. These are the steps. What are the factors of 15? 15 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now you find out the common factors. The common factors are 1 which is there in both, 5 which is there in both. There are only 2. So the common factors are 1 and 5. In that, the highest is 5. Therefore, the highest common factor is 5 for these two numbers. Let us work out one more question. Find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. So find out the factors of 12 and the factors of 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, it is divisible by 4 also, 6 and 12. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, it is divisible by 9 and it is divisible by 18. Let me find out the common factors. Common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 is present in both, 2 is present in both, 3 is present in both, 6 is present in both. In that, the highest common factor will be 6. Let us see one more example. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 36. Now I have taken little larger number. Let me find out the factors of 24. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 because 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24 and 24. And the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, it is divisible by 4 9s are, so 4, 6 6 are 36 6. These are the factors. Now let me find out the common factors. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Among them, the highest common factor is 12. Let me just show you. There's 1 common, 2 common, 3 common, 4 common, 6 common and 12 common. So the highest among these common factors is 12. 12 is the highest common factor. You must make a note that there is no difference between highest common factor or greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. In case if more than 2 numbers are given, say for example, find the greatest common divisor of 70, 210 and 315. Now how do we work? Let us follow the same procedure. Let me write the factors of 70. What are the factors of 70? The factors of 70 are 1, 2, it is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 7, 10, 14 5s are 70, so 14, 35 2 times is 70, 35 and 70. The factors of 210, it is divisible by 1, it is also divisible by 2, 370 times is 210, 5 it is divisible by 6 also, it is divisible by 7, 10, 14, 15, 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105 and 210. The factors of 315 is 1, 3, 5, 7, it is divisible by 9, 15, 21, 35, 45, it is also divisible by 63, 105 and 315. So let me find out the common factors among these 3 numbers. So the common factors are 1, let me highlight that 1 is present in all the 3. Do we have 2 present in all the 3? No. 3? No. 5 is present in all the 3. Then observe 7 is present in all the 3. Further you move on, 35 is present in all the 3. So the common factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Therefore the greatest common divisor among 70, 210 and 315 is 35. Do you observe this method becomes hectic when the larger numbers are there? This method of finding highest common factor is little tedious. Let me follow the same tedious method before telling or before learning the other methods of finding highest common factor. So let us find the factors of 60. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. The factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3. It is not divisible by 4. 5, 6 is divisible by 9. Then 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. The factors of 150 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 divisible by 10, 15, 25 also 25, 30, 50, 75 and 150. Now let me find the common factors. This time I will not highlight, I will just mention the common factors. It is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Therefore, the greatest common divisor will be 30. Let us solve one more question for better understanding in the same method. Let me find out the highest common factor of 56 and 91. For that, factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Let me mention the factors of 91. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 7, 13 and 91. Therefore, common factors are 1 and 7. Therefore, the highest among these factors, highest common factor of 56 and 91 will be only 7. To avoid this tedious work of finding common factor and then highest common factor, we have two different methods. One of the method is called as prime factorization method. And the second method is called as division method. Let us study these two methods one by one. We will realize that the prime factorization method and the division method will be easier to find highest common factor than the method which we had followed just now. Let me tell what is prime factorization method and then end the session. Prime factorization or complete factorization of given numbers is to express the given numbers as the product of prime factor. Let me take one example and show you how do I write as a prime product. For that, I have taken a simple example, number 36. This 36, I would like to divide it in this way. I will divide by the least prime number which divides it. It is 18 times. Further, I will divide with the prime number. It is divisible by 2 to 9 times. Now I will consider the next prime number which is greater than 2, that is 3 times, then 3 one time. This 36 can also be expressed in this tree format. 36 is 2 multiplied to 18. 18 is 2 multiplied to 9. And 9 is 3 multiplied to 3. So 36 I can express as the product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, or else 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It is also same as 2 square into 3 square. This way of expressing the number as product of prime is called as prime factorization. That's all for today's session. We shall discuss the prime factorization method for finding prime product for different numbers, and then we shall learn how to find highest common factor using prime factorization method in the next session. Thank you.